Hi foodies, this is Hina. Welcome back to our channel Cravings Feed Your Feelings. Delicious starter always grabs everyone's attention and look forward to take a bite. Present this amazing mutton boti kebab as starter in your next party. Let's see the authentic way to make this boti kebab. Here in a bowl, I am taking some homemade ginger garlic paste, some more, and that's it. Next goes garam masala, also homemade. And now some red chili powder. This is not homemade. Here it goes in. And now we'll stir it little bit. And now we'll add some raw papaya as tenderizer. The papaya I am using is not purely raw. It gets little dripped. Hence it looks yellowish. And I am afraid it may not work nicely as we need, but let's hope for the best. Because full raw papaya was not available nearby me. So now we'll add some salt to taste. Mix it again nicely. Now our marination mixture is ready. Let's introduce our boti mutton in this marination. As you can see, I have thinly sliced the botis. I made it at home and nowadays it is available in market also easily. You can just slice it like this. So rest of the muttons also I have cut it in the same way. And some is in small pieces also mixed in it. As we'll see, two process to grill this boti kebab. So I have mixed the mutton in this marination properly and will keep this marination at least for an hour. Now let's check our marination. It's look good. Now we'll see the first process. Before that I'll wear my hand gloves so that the marination will not stick to my hand. This is the round skewer. In this we have to put the mutton in it. First the corner portion we have to put in it, then the middle portion, and bend it and put the another corner of the mutton. And in this way the zigzag portion it will make. See, like this it shows zigzag portion shape. Again one more I will show you the same way. Just see the process. We need to make the zigzag pattern in it, and this is done. Just keep some distance, some space in between so that it will cook nicely from all the sides. The same way we'll put all other botis also in this skewer. So my mutton hasn't tenderized well because I have told you, because I have used ribbed papaya. That's why it is not going very easily and it will take more time to cook as well. Doesn't matter, after it cook it will taste awesomely good anyways. Today we'll grill our kebab without the barbecue on our regular kitchen gas stove. Yes. So the first process to grill our kebab is this. Like this, we have one stand to keep our skewer on it. We'll place on the gas flame and just flame it. This stand will get easily, and if you don't have this kind of stand, you can keep two steel bottles on both the sides and keep the skewer on top of it. This is the skewer. We'll keep like this on top of the flame, and here goes the another one. Now we have to grill this kebab on medium to lower flame so that it will cook from inside nicely and we can take a bite easily. This will take little time to cook, to grill. Once it grilled from one side, then we have to turn it to the other side also. Just hold your skewer from all the sides, from top, from the bottom, so that the mutton should cook from all the sides. Actually, I have learned this recipe from my Dadaji, my grandfather. Outside our home, in our surrounding, he used to make the chulha by his own and keeps all the coal in it and grill this boti kebab, and it tastes amazing. And we kids only eat and enjoy that time. So sorry, I forgot to tell you that I have applied some oil on this, as you have seen earlier. To keep it moist, we have to keep applying oil in between. But we have to be very careful while applying the oil, because oil drips in the flame and enhance the flame. It may touch to your skin and anything can happen. So be careful. As you can see, I have turned so many times on all the directions to cook it, to grill it properly from all the sides. Now our boti kebab has grilled properly. Let's see how to take out from the skewer. With the help of tongue, just give slow pressure and your kebab will come out. You can take out this with the help of fork also. You can see the blackish part. This is because of overcooking. But to make it more tenderized, I have to do this. But not to worry, I'll remove the black part and it will taste awesomely good. Same way I will grill all the other boti also. The same way we'll remove the other boti kebab also, and it is ready. Let's see the another process of grilling. So this is wire mesh. So here I have kept all the small portion of the boti on it. So this method you can use if you don't have skewer to grill your boti kebab. Same way we'll apply oil in between and turn it all the sides and grill it. This will also give you same taste. This kind of mesh is mostly used to make fulkas at home. So use it to grill it. Serve this delicious boti kebab with onion salad and enjoy. Do try this recipe and let me know how you find this recipe. Please like and subscribe my channel. You will enjoy my other recipes also. So press the bell icon and be safe, be healthy and keep eating. Bye bye. Thank you.